Hey there, Marketeer here. I want to take a moment to talk about web development and web design and kind of get your gears turning. And this will apply to you if you're looking at your own website and thinking, boy, this is not what I want, I need to make this better. Or if you're just jumping into this arena and you're trying to decide, okay, what exactly do I want in a website? What kind of image do I want to project, functionality, blah, blah, blah. It's important to have an idea going into your website. It's important to have an idea that you can share with your development and design team. The clearer picture that you can paint of the image you want to project and what you're about, the better job they're going to be able to do for you. Otherwise, you're basically handing them a bow and arrow and saying, here, shoot a bullseye. And they're asking you, well, where's the target? And you're saying, well, it's somewhere over there. Just aim it. I'm sure you'll hit it. Never works like that. So as you look at your web development and web design needs, think of two main topics. In fact, we'll call them Q's. Quantification and quality. Those actually do start with Q. We've heard for years, and it's been turned into a sales pitch. Don't worry about how much money it's going to cost. Think about what you need and what you want, and we'll handle the cost later. It's been turned into a sales pitch, but it really is true. If you've got a good web development and design team, somebody that you can really have an open discussion with, you want to discuss quality. You want to discuss what it is that you ultimately want. Because a good web development and design team who understands whatever financial restrictions you have will be able to show you, hey, here's what we can do for you now within your budget. And then as you're able to pay, we can add this. Because you get a good development and design team, they can start you out simple and then grow it for you because it's their programming. It's their design. They know what it is. It's not you having it designed by one person and then handing it off to another. Because the way one developer and designer does it compared to another, it can be as different as fingerprints. So have a clear understanding. Ask yourself questions. If you're a client, ask yourself, do I need a logo? Do I already have copy? Do I have somebody to write copy? Do I have a clear image of the image I want to project? Do I have a clear understanding of who my target audience is? Many don't. How many separate pages do I want for my website? Because once you get that ball rolling, you realize the questions that your web development and design team have to deal with. And that's where I say, think about what you want first, and then deal with the price. Because a good team will work with you. But if you go based on price first, you're going to wind up settling for something that you probably didn't want to begin with, but you didn't know that you had any other options.